In this video, you will learn how to prepare 1 molar solution of sodium thiosulfate.
Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel Source of Skills. Please like and subscribe our channel for informative videos.
Required apparatus and chemicals include a weight balance, sodium thiosulfate in a bottle, distilled water in a beaker, a stirrer, an empty beaker, a spatula, a funnel, and volumetric flask of 1000 milliliters. Let's do some calculations. First of all, for 1 molar solution of sodium thiosulfate, we have to find out the molecular weight of sodium thiosulfate. Let's find out the molecular weight. So atomic mass of sodium is 22.990, sulfur is 32.066, oxygen is 15.999 and hydrogen is 1.008. Put them all into the formula and you get molecular weight as 248.2 grams per mole. So molecular weight of sodium thiosulfate is 248.2 grams per mole. We know that molarity is equal to number of grams mole divided by volume of solution in dm cube, and 1 dm cube is equal to 1000 milliliters. So molarity is equal to 248.2 grams dissolved in 1000 milliliter of distilled water. Let's start preparation. Take a weight balance and power it on. Now put petri dish on it and tear it down. You can start adding sodium thiosulfate into it with the help of spatula. Put in small quantities to make a precise measurement of 248.2 grams. Now take distilled water in a beaker less than 500 milliliters and put sodium thiosulfate into it. Mix it well with the stirrer to make a homogeneous mixture. Now take volumetric flask and put funnel on the top. Start pouring the solution. You have to fill the volumetric flask up to the red point, which is 1000 milliliters. For that, you can add more distilled water into it. So take some distilled water in an empty beaker and start pouring it into the volumetric flask. Now you have successfully prepared 1 molar solution of sodium thiosulfate. You can store it in any bottle you want. Thank you.